This video will show you how you can associate text with all or part of an image. We will demonstrate this using the competing water uses image in the area and township folder under Files in the sample project. Opening the image shows us that text is linked to the image. These are known as picture logs in NVivo. Clicking on any one of the rows will highlight the area of the image the text is about. To add a new log, first click on the Edit tab in the image. Then click and drag to select a part of the picture. Right-click in the picture log and select Insert Row. The row appears and the region coordinates are automatically entered into the region column as a series of numbers. Type your text into the row. The text is now associated with the part of the image that I had selected. When I turn off edit mode, clicking on any of the rows will highlight the corresponding image selection. When you code a picture log, the associated picture segment will also display in a code.